Hey all, I wanted to go into the vocabulary and or symbols that are needing or that you need to put in your lesson plan. Again, all of these videos that I post will be here under the lesson plan step-by-step videos, so you can see them as you're writing your lesson plan. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my lesson plan, and I am going to write vocabulary and or symbols. So in this case, I'm going to do sequence. I'm going to do first, next, last, even though they might be words that they would use in their day-to-day language. It's not for sure, and I don't want to assume that. So I'm going to do sequence, first, next, last. And then I'm going to look at my learning standards, and I'm going to kind of look at those and say, okay, well, are there any academic vocabulary words in there that might be unfamiliar? So illustration might be unfamiliar. Mood, character, setting, feelings, perspectives, narrator. Did I put that already? Maybe. No, narrator. I have sequence, event. They might think of an event as going somewhere to a place rather the event in the story. So that might be a word that's familiar to them, but might not be in context. So I'm going to use these words. Go ahead and obviously you can go through and spell check everything before you submit it. But all you have to do for additional language demands is go ahead and put in there any words that would be unfamiliar to them that aren't in their general vocabulary. And then so looking at the checklist here. So again, the checklist is on or near page 21, and the checklist, it's on page 23. So on the checklist, it says, does your vocabulary address all words that students will hear and use that are not a part of social language? And in this case, it does, so you would be finished.